Global turmoil strikes. Are your stocks protected? In today's unpredictable economic landscape, investors are constantly seeking ways to safeguard their investments. The recent waves of global turmoil, driven by various factors such as political instability, economic crises, and health pandemics, have made stock market volatility a daily concern. In this article, we will delve into the challenges posed by global turmoil and explore strategies to protect your stocks in these uncertain times. Understanding the global turmoil. What is global turmoil? Global turmoil refers to a state of widespread unrest and uncertainty affecting nations worldwide. It can stem from political conflicts, economic downturns, natural disasters, or even health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. These events can have a profound impact on financial markets. The impact on stock markets. Stock markets are particularly sensitive to global turmoil. When uncertainty prevails, investors tend to panic, leading to significant market fluctuations. This can result in substantial losses for those who are unprepared. Strategies to protect your stocks. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy to mitigate risks during turbulent times. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, you can reduce the impact of a downturn in any single sector. Invest in defensive stocks. Defensive stocks, also known as non-cyclical stocks, belong to industries that remain stable even during economic downturns. These include sectors like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples. Investing in such stocks can provide a cushion during turbulent times. Utilize stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders are predetermined price points at which you will sell a stock to limit losses. This automated approach ensures that you don't hold onto a declining stock for too long. Keep an eye on global events. Stay informed about global events and their potential impact on the markets. By being aware of geopolitical developments and economic indicators, you can make informed decisions about your investments. Consider gold and precious metals. Historically, gold and other precious metals have been considered safe haven assets. During times of turmoil, their value often rises as investors seek refuge from volatile markets. The importance of long-term perspective. While protecting your stocks during global turmoil is essential, it's equally crucial to maintain a long-term perspective. Timing the market perfectly is challenging, and knee-jerk reactions can lead to missed opportunities. Remember that the stock market has historically recovered from crises and continued to grow. Conclusion. In a world where global turmoil can strike unexpectedly, safeguarding your stocks is a prudent financial strategy. Diversifying your portfolio, investing in defensive stocks, using stop-loss orders, staying informed, and considering safe haven assets like gold are all strategies to protect your investments. However, it's crucial to maintain a long-term perspective and not let short-term turbulence derail your financial goals. Frequently asked questions. Is it a good idea to sell all my stocks during global turmoil? 1. While selling all your stocks might seem like a defensive move, it's essential to consider your long-term financial goals. 1. Diversification and careful stock selection can be more effective than a wholesale sell-off. How can I determine which stocks are defensive? 1. Defensive stocks typically belong to industries that provide essential goods or services, such as healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples. 1. Look for companies with a history of stable performance during economic downturns. What should I do if I've already incurred losses during global turmoil? 1. If you've experienced losses, it's essential to reassess your investment strategy and consider adjustments. 1. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Are there any tax implications to consider when selling stocks during turmoil? 1. Selling stocks can have tax implications, such as capital gains taxes. 1. It's advisable to consult with a tax professional to understand the tax consequences of your actions. Can I invest in global turmoil for potential gains? 1. While some investors thrive during market volatility, it's a high-risk strategy that requires significant expertise. 1. It's generally advisable for most investors to focus on protecting their investments during turbulent times. 1. In this ever-changing financial landscape, protecting your stocks is a wise choice. 1. By following the strategies outlined in this article and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can navigate the challenges of global turmoil with confidence.